Hi friends, welcome to Little Ukes. Today I'm super excited to teach you one of my favorite ukulele chords called D minor. I'll show you how to build this chord up bit by bit so that it's super comfortable to play. If you've mastered a lot of one finger and two finger chords, or you're just looking for a good challenge, then you are ready to try this three finger chord that is so beautiful. So let's go ahead and get started. To play this chord, I'm going to build it up using two other chords that you probably already know if you're trying this. We're going to start from A minor and go to F and then finally to D minor. Let's check it out. I'm going to take my middle finger of my left hand and place it on the second fret of the fourth string. Now I'm going to take my first finger and place it on the first fret of the second string. And this actually makes an F major chord right here. So then we're gonna add our ring finger. I'm gonna rotate a little bit so that I can tuck my ring finger behind. This D minor chord to me really feels very similar to an F major chord, except with this ring finger smushed right behind the middle finger. So they go on the same fret. So my ring finger is going to go on the second fret of the third string, almost hiding behind the middle finger. Like that. Like an F major chord with a tuck. Let's go ahead and try that all again. I'm going to take my middle finger, put it on the second fret of the fourth string. First finger goes on the first fret of the second string. And then my ring finger is going to tuck right behind on the second fret of the third string. Great work, friends. I just love the sound of that chord. It's so useful for so many songs, especially when we're playing in the key of F major, which is a very popular key for arranging ukulele songs. I hope you enjoyed playing with me. Thank you so much for joining me. I would love for you to stick around and learn some more awesome ukulele techniques and music with me. Happy practicing.